Today, I'm excited because the EDM department is getting a new machine. It's the Sodick AL40G Sinker EDM. Sodick's been building EDM machines since 1976. With over 60,000 installs worldwide, they understand what it means to produce a highly accurate and capable EDM machine. And this sinker is the nicest on the market.
We're actually taking this to a whole nother level because over here you got the wire, the AL600P, and then over here you got the sinker, the AL40G, and then we're going to put a robot right between, and then the robot is actually going to work between the two machines, putting parts in both.
So this whole tank's actually going to drop down and allow the robot to access the table from the side to give it any access it needs to place parts or place electrodes in the head. Love that feature.
All right, so our new Sodick AL40G is all set up. Shout out to Eli for hooking it up for us. And I'm excited because this thing is loaded with features. It's got ceramic structures throughout. It's got a new power supply that improves our processing and communication speed. And it's got AI programming software. But what separates this sinker from any other sinker out there? It's gotta be the linear motors. This thing has linear motors in X, Y, and most importantly, the Z axis. If you've ever ran sinker before, you know during the burn, it's gonna be moving up and down rapidly in Z. And if you're using a ball screw, it could wear, causing undershoot or overshoot of your Z axis depth. But since these linear motors are frictionless, it allows Sodick to offer a 10-year positional accuracy guarantee. Plus, this thing has crazy acceleration. If you're down in a deep cavity, it can accelerate up out of that cavity up to 1G, which is 22 miles an hour per second. That's gonna give us improved flushing over any other sinker out there.
All right, well, I hate to interrupt this video, but I have some really exciting news to share on behalf of our amazing CAD partner, SolidWorks, and that is that 3D Experience World 2025 is gonna be hosted down in Houston, Texas from February 23rd to the 26th. This is an amazing opportunity for makers, designers, entrepreneurs to come together. You guys can register actually by clicking the link in the description below and then use our special code for 10% off your ticket purchase.
So if you guys want to learn how to set up or program this machine, or if you want to see us burn some tiny little subgates or some big 4.2 Acme threads, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think about this machine, and we'll catch you guys next time.
So everyone thinks that this job would just be cake, but it's literally stressing me out to the point where I lost all my hair. So if you can appreciate that, please hit the subscribe button.